Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. We're out here at Scheid Diesel Extravaganza 2021. This is one of the trucks we came to see this weekend. Nasty new body Duramax called the Cummins Killer. This thing's triple turbo. Make sure you stay tuned. We got some videos of this thing right now. They just made a test pass. Didn't do so hot, but I'm sure they'll clean it up for this weekend. So stay tuned. We got some nasty videos to come. All right guys, it is hot out here. I just talked to this guy that drove this truck down the track. Didn't get a chance to talk to him long because I wanted to film some other stuff, but he's got a 6.7 in this thing, running this on the track. He set it up for a daily driver. He literally drove it a couple hours away from where he lives, towing a trailer, drove it on the highway to get here, and then raced it down the track. That is absolutely savage. Super cool build, and of course we love square bodies. Thing looked like it ran pretty good, so hopefully we can get to talk to him a little bit later, but I'm gonna go find some shade and chill out for a little bit until they run some more trucks.
Beautiful 70-inch square body. Big factors, shallow, 72 pounds out of those traffic. So we get 3 different sides.
Yo, check this out. The dirty hooker truck that caught on fire on the dyno at UCC one year. I think it was 2 years ago. That's sick they left it like that. Hopefully we can see this thing running. We found the dyno, so we're gonna sit here and watch this a little bit. Old C Ham's truck is getting ready to pull up there, so good way to start it off.